3, 2, 1.
ResearchRocket is a reliable beginner research tool for your elementary and primary school students. It's a quick, easy way to discover age-appropriate information for any subject or project. Students can start by entering their own search or selecting a topic. Information from vetted, credible sources, including magazines and newspapers, is aligned with curricula and organized by key subject areas. With 2 clicks, students can find research material at their reading level for individual assignments and group projects. Clear, familiar icons enable students to save the article for their research assignment or to share with a work group. As you introduce students to the research process, citations are available in a wide variety of formats. Pre-generated searches help students develop information literacy skills. And searches are easily changed depending on students' needs. Back on the home page, you'll find tools to help you prepare and teach. And ResearchRocket saves you time by supporting planning with things like daily headlines and activities, a collection of top news stories compiled before school starts each weekday morning. Teachers say it's a one-stop shop for current events, including a ready-to-use activity aligned with educational standards. Create connections between classroom topics and real-world examples as you help your students blast off with ResearchRocket.